when it comes to creation, whether that's in art or engineering, it's important to ensure that you have the freedom to mold and shape your own environment. The Sitefinity dashboard isn't static. It can be tailored to your needs, and it evolves with you and your team. The Launchpad is a hub for digital marketers, content managers, and more to see everything at a glance with a high-level view, and then leverage that information to take swift action. Everyone has a different story, so why should your CMS be any less individual? With Sitefinity, navigation menus dynamically adapt based on a user's permissions. With Sitefinity, ease of use is not just a feature, but a foundational principle. Less IT dependency means more creative independence. That's user experience, defined by you.